All right, guys, welcome to day three of our teaching. We still have 27 days to go. And please, like I said, make sure you leave a comment. And if you know you have a siblings, a brother, a sister, especially that person they ask for urgent 2K, that you want that person to learn one or two things or how to be financially free in the year 2026 and beyond, right? Share this video with them. They should learn something. This is something I'm dishing out for free. And like I promise, I'm not holding back. I know some of my top people that make money using this KDP. They might be angry that I'm sharing this update for free. So without further ado, today we'll be talking about copyrights and trademark. I have my reason why I'm trying to make sure you guys understand this before we start writing. And please, whatever I take, whatever I say, make sure you take it serious. Take it serious as possible. So, what is copyright? I'm not here to speak grammar. You see, there are some books where we say now, some people get them. Like most of you that just watch random videos on YouTube because you have been hearing about Amazon KDP before. The man said you should go. You just went to YouTube. You don't want to pay for courses. Just go to YouTube and boom, you started watching video. They asked to go and just pick one book from all these PR website. What do they call this website? I just do a cover. They will lie to you. Just do a cover and upload the book like that. Most of those books are copyright. Even though they asked you, they told you copyright free. How can it be copyright in some cases? You are not the first person that will go to that website. There are other people that have been to the website. They have picked that same book the same way you pick it and publish. Lucky for them, maybe they first said they didn't copyright it. But them as a person, they don't use and reuse content. One way or the other, some people might have copyrighted it. Right? Same is applicable to trademark. There is difference between trademark and copywriting. For instance, my name is Nelkan, Nelcon. I now decide to want to write a book relating to the life of Nelcon. Do you know someone, me, because my name is trademark, right? Because that's my name, I don't want anybody to reuse that name for a brand purpose. I have to go and trademark it. They can trademark any name anywhere in the world. And those trademark has categories. They have numbers depending on what you can use it for. So because I don't want anybody to reuse my name to open a company, to open a brand, I have to trademark it. If anybody uses it, I can easily sue that person. Same is applicable to books we are writing. There are some titles that have been trademarked, and if you don't know, you go and pick it and write it, Amazon will bounce on your account. They can terminate your account. So I have limits to my understanding, or there's a limit to my understanding when it comes to trademark. I won't lie to you. There's a way I do my own trademarking. There's a way I run for words that I feel they are trademark, but I need to make sure you guys understand this trademark and copyright. So without further ado, I'll leave you with this guy. This guy name is let me check. His name is let me be sure. I want to be sure of the name. So there's this guy on YouTube, right? He's one of my person too, right? Even though we don't know each other, we watch each other videos on YouTube. His name is Learn Digital. He has a video about trademark. This is the thumbnail. You can search for Learn Digital. I will try as much as possible to spell the name of his channel and the title of that video. This is the thumbnail of the video, which for people watching on YouTube, I can't copy that video, right? Because of what's it called, copyright infringement, right? But I can bring that video here for you watching here on TikTok or other platforms. So I will attach the video here for you to stay here and watch the video. But if you are watching this on YouTube, just look for this thumbnail, look for Learn Digital, look for the video under his videos and watch. It explains detailed about trademarking and when it comes to Amazon KDP. So in advance, if you find my content or my videos useful or helpful, make sure you share with families and friends that need to learn about Amazon KDP, or someone you feel should learn. That person they deserve your urgent 2K. Share this video with them, right? Let's learn together and let's make sure we have more ego together in the year 2026. So see you tomorrow in my day 4, whereby we'll break down more information about KDP. And please, If you have question, drop a comment and thank me in the comment section. You thanking me in the comment section will suggest my video to more people, right? Because the more you comment, the more I get suggestion, the more we help more people to be liberated from poverty. So without further ado, guys, I will leave you to watch this video. See you in the next video, and bye for now in advance.